Good day, ladies and gentlemen, my Brian here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your channel trailer here on YouTube. If you don't know what channel trailer is, I'm going to show you right here. So when you get to your home, you will see this video right here. And this video, if you don't know how to change it, it might get a little bit tricky. So what you have to do is to go to channel customization. You click on channel customization and it will bring you to this page. And in this page, you go to option on the right side. You click on option. You can remove this video right here, or you can just change it. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to change it. I will click change video, and then one of this video you would like to change, then just click on it. If you click on it, here it also says future video for returning subscribers. If you want to change it, just click. So now we have changed it, So what you're going to do, you have to publish it to make sure that it works. So you just click publish. If you click publish, then it's published. If you go back to your home, you will see that the video is already here. So, have you seen what I'm saying? It plays automatically when you come to your home channel on YouTube. So, which is very, very interesting. I hope this video will help you to solve the little issue you're having of changing the channel trailer. If you like this video, please leave us a comment and a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing so that if we know where we made a mistake, we will correct it and then to do better video in the future.